Today we are making cinnamon apple cheesecake. For the base, we start with 160 grams of cinnamon cookies or any cookies of your choice. We crush those up to a fine crumble. We then melt 70 grams of butter. Add those to our crumble and mix. Let's add those to our prepared molds. I use some rings lined with parchment paper here. And flatten them out nice and tight with a flat bottom gloss. Then for our mix, 600 grams of cream cheese and give that a little mix. Add 150 grams of sugar and mix until smooth. Then your 3 eggs. Try to add them one by one to incorporate them better. When that is mixed, add in 7 grams of cinnamon. Mix that in and spread them evenly in your 2 prepared molds. Preheat an oven to 180 degrees centigrade, and depending on the size of your mold, you should bake this for about 35 minutes. Now, onto our apple. Grab yourself a big pan and melt some butter in it, about 100 grams. When it's melted, add 2 diced apples and 50 grams of sugar. Cook this till the apples become somewhat translucent, and then set aside to cool. Now, let's remove our cheesecake from the mold, and there you have it. Last but not least, add your apple and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. It would be a big help to the channel.